Sneeze video. Okay. Okay, go. Go again. Here we go. Gonna spat on myself. That's so low. How big is your nose? Danny has an advantage because his nose is tiny. Dude, tell me. Okay, here we go. Put your head on the cover. Oh. Oh my god. I gotta get one, man. This is all you. Dude, watch out. Splash us. Oh man, I'm crying. Ugh.
Dude, still on the same video.
What?
Still on the same
Wait,
video.
this is a good one.
2 minutes.
Dude, okay, wait, let's stop that one. Oh wait, let's have Tim. Tim, what is it?
Dude, Tim, you need to get in the camera right now. I'm not seeing the process. Tim can't do it. Tim's not tight. You're not tight unless you can make yourself sneeze, Tim. Tim, just now eat it. Lick it. Okay, let's stop this. Let's stop these
3 minutes.
shenanigans.